The installation process is the same for both bikes, which we cover together in this video. Step 1: assemble the saddle. Remove the parts box on the back seat that contains the tools needed for installation. Loosen the seat post clamp, take out the saddle, and remove the cardboard for fastening. After reinstalling the saddle back into the seat tube, press the quick release lever firmly. Step 2: assemble the handlebar. Loosen the handlebar screws. And adjust the handlebars so that they are perpendicular to each other and the front wheel. Then retighten the handle screws. Step 3: assemble the pedals. Attach the pedal to the corresponding crank according to the markings on the pedal. Note that the left pedal is tightened counterclockwise and the right pedal is tightened clockwise. To the end of this installation, please contact us if you have any questions.